it's Taylor Christina, and welcome back to my tiny little channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am sharing my mom of two morning routine. My new morning routine is very simple. I don't do anything extravagant or off the wall. It's very straight to the point. So first thing I do is get up and head to the bathroom, take care of business, brush my teeth, wash my face. I will link all of the products that I am using here down in the description box below. Once I finish my little self-care session, I get dressed and put on my Apple Watch. Next, I am going to hydrate. Hydrating in the morning is just so important and it feels amazing on the body. I usually drink that entire bottle and then I get started on my kids' lunches. I normally pack half of their lunch the night before, and then anything that is refrigerated, I throw it in their lunch boxes in the morning. I am also going to make my older son a sandwich this morning. I did not do that last night, so we're going to do it now. Once lunches are packed and ready to go for camp and daycare, I get my coffee ready. I have been using the Starbucks Nespresso pods lately. They're so good, and I do take it to go for drop-offs. I do lay out the boys' clothes the night before. As you can see, I just try to prepare as much as I can the night before because the mornings can sometimes be very unpredictable, and preparing the night before just gives you a little bit of control back. And as you can see, we are in the car and headed out for drop-offs. This was one of the mornings where I had to stop and get gas halfway through drop-offs, which is really annoying, but it happens. Now that both boys are dropped off, I am back home. I have been working from home full time with everything going on in the world. So now that I am back, I am going to open up the blinds and make all of our beds. My boys have been taking swim lessons, so they're in swim lessons 4 days out of the week, which means there is a ton of swim laundry, and I'm just switching that over here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to sit down at my desk and get some work done. I do use the time blocking method when I'm working from home because it just keeps me on track and it's the most productive for me. And there is a time allotted for lunch, and I've also allotted a time for me to be active. So I am working through my working time block right now, and then I'm going to get up and head into my bedroom and turn on a Grow with Joe workout. I love her workouts because they're all pretty much standing and low impact, but you burn a ton of calories. After my workout, I had to hop onto a Zoom call for work. So I did that, and then I headed over to the kitchen to make myself some lunch. And this is the last thing that I will consider being a part of my morning routine. Technically, it is the afternoon when I eat my first meal, but I figured we will end off this morning routine with my first meal, the most basic meal ever, the most played out meal ever. But if you are an avocado toast person, you understand, like, it always hits. Down at my desk and eat my food and continue to work, and we are officially at the end of my morning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.